Lesson 7, Anchor Problem 3. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my tape diagram. And I know that there are 4 times as many fiction books as resource books. So I'm going to divide this in 4 parts. That's going to be my fiction. And then here's my resource books, my RBs. Then I know there are half as many nonfiction books as fiction books. So I'm going to change colors here. And if there's half as many, that must mean there's 2 of nonfiction. Okay, so all of those together are equal to, come on, pen. They are all equal to 1,400. Let me check that. 4 times as many fiction books as resource books, half as many nonfiction books as fiction books. Okay, so that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sections. Therefore, each one of those sections can take my 1,400 and I can divide it by 7. And I can find that each one here is 200. And from that, I can find out the amount of each of these. So how can I do this in an equation? Well, it looks like my single thing that I can find most easily is my resource books. So I'm going to use my resource books as my basic variable. And I know that there are 4 groups of the resource books in the fiction, and then 1 group of the resource books that's actually the resource books, and 2 groups of the resource books that are in nonfiction. And all of those together are equal to 1,400. So now I can just total these up just like I did in my tape diagram, and I can find that I have 7 groups of the resource books is equal to 1,400, dividing each side by 7 to find that a single group of resource books is 200. But I'm not done because I need to say how much of each type there is. So for the resource, there's 200 books. For the fiction, there's 4 times the resource books, or 800 books. And for the nonfiction, there's 2 times the resource books, or 400 books. Sorry, I kind of ran off the screen there.